sun is out and shining today. Those clouds went away that I was worried about earlier. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and welcome to KaylayCreates. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit more of my style of video that I was doing in the beginning. I am going to be reviewing a couple products that I picked up at Ulta well over a month ago. My life has been super crazy lately with moving, and then I went on a trip to Atlanta last week, and then just nuts. So I've been having these makeup products sitting here for probably 5 weeks now. But I'm really excited to finally use them. So if you're interested to see how I use new products, and if you like any of the products in the description bar, just follow along. Okay, so as always, I'm going to start with doing my eyebrows. I don't have any new eyebrow products, so I'm just going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow, and I need to find it first. So even though I am blonde, I use the color Taupe because it is a little bit more of a neutral color. Blonde typically is very orange, and I don't like my eyebrows that orange. I really need my eyebrows done, but I'm a broke girl. Just moved out on my own for the first time, so I don't really have the money to get my eyebrows done. Thank goodness I'm blonde. Maybe I'll just pull a Glam and Gore and just shave them off. Maybe I'll do that. So, I just filmed a whole eye look and review, and my camera wasn't recording. So I just took this eye off, and I'm going to start from the beginning. So I started out with, of course, priming my eyes, using my Inglot eye primer, as always, with a precision angled brush, patting it all over my lid. And then, so the first product that I am reviewing is something that I'm really excited for. I've been wanting this product for a really long time, and I know that I'm totally behind on the bandwagon, but it's my Shaaanxo palette. Shaaanxo was my first YouTuber that I liked. She's the first one to ever really teach me how to do my makeup. I honestly think that she's like the reason why I got into it. I think she's absolutely awesome. I think she's one of the only people on YouTube that hasn't gotten into any of the drama, and I absolutely love it, and she's definitely one of my icons that I would like to be someday, with her own company and BH cosmetic collabs and things like that. This is actually her second palette. The first one had one side of eyeshadow, one side of lip glosses, while this one is the one with 2 eyeshadows. So it's really cool and double-sided, which is something that I have not seen before, especially with pretty high-end makeup. Both sides have a mirror, which I like. And I already swatched a bunch of colors now that they're rubbing off, now that I've had them for a while, and they're so buttery. So what I put on my lid today, before I did all this craziness and didn't record, I used the shade Clarity. It is her tan, or whatever, beige, I don't even know what that is, cream shade, and it's super pigmented. Like, these are never pigmented. Like, you can actually see it going on my primer. And I love that, because that means that I know that product is going on, and it's really canceling out all the color that's on my lid. And then with a fluffy brush, I went in with the Buttercup shade, which is the perfect warm tone crease shade, because look at it. It's like the perfect amount of depth. It's not too much, it's not too little, you can totally see it, and it's nice and warm, which I love. And I blend that out pretty high. And then I go in with another matte shade, Terracotta, which I think is hilarious because that's one of the words that she uses all the time on her channel. And look at that. I'm totally gonna use this color again because I love this. I blend that into my crease just to warm it up and to deepen up the crease a little bit. These are so easily blended, and I'm not that great at doing my makeup, and it's still making my blending look seamless. And then I did go in with a little bit of Dark Horse over here on a pencil brush just to deepen it up a little bit. I'm like in love with this palette though. Like the pigment is crazy, but then it just blends right out. I don't know if it's just a BH Cosmetics thing. I don't know if it's a Shaaanxo thing. It's awesome, and I'm in love with it. And then on my lid, I'm using this color Island Glow. I more just wanted to use one of the shimmer shades and see how it came off on my finger. I'm like, look how pretty that is. And I would totally just wear this as like a day look, but I have another product I want to review. Obviously, this eye is looking all crazy. So I have the NYX Glitter Primer, which I don't have any glitter glues, I don't have any glitter primers, I really don't even use glitter pigments. So what I did is I took find another flat brush, a flat eyeshadow brush. I poured some of this glitter primer out. It's weird because it's like a tan color, but it's also glittery, which is definitely strange. I did not expect that. And I just place this everywhere I want to glitter. I use a very thin layer, and it gets really sticky, which is cool, which is exactly what you want in a glitter glue. I like that it doesn't cover any color too. I actually really like that. And then it does have this like, keep forgetting what I've said and what I haven't said. And then the next thing that I'm reviewing is these 3 NYX glitters. I got 3 and I'm really excited to use them. But today I'm just going to be using this pink holographic shade right here. This is in shade MGLI 03. I also got this white holographic shade and this bronzy shade. I love the way bronze looks with blue eyes. So I'm totally going to be using that again, possibly in another video. But this pink has totally just enamored me. So what I've been doing is I've been pouring it into the lid and then using actually an eyeliner brush to pick it up and pat it onto the glitter glue. The glitter glue is very sticky. It's totally stopping the fallout. Not completely, but way more than it would be. And then this primer is supposed to stop creasing, and it's supposed to enhance the glitter color, which I think is crap. But does my glitter look enhanced? I know I have crazy fallout everywhere, but that's mostly because I had to take this eye makeup off. And then I just blended a little bit along the side. it's a little bit more seamless. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. But that's basically everything that I have to review. I totally thought I had more. The only other thing that I have is a lipstick, but it doesn't really go with the color theme that I did. But I will show you guys how I'm going to do my face makeup for today, and I'm going to, first off, do my eyeliner. I've been obsessed with my NYX matte liquid liner lately. It's so easy to use and it's so matte and it does not move. I guess I'm doing a big wing today. I'm channeling my inner Shannon. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing that I did a couple videos ago, where I'm going to be doing just my face makeup, show you the products, and speed through it. Okay, so that's it for the face. So I'm going to finish off under my eyes just a little bit. I'm going to go in with that dark horse shade again with a pencil brush under my eyes, just to bring a little smokiness to it. Okay, okay. And then I'm going to go in with some mascara. So I'm using my double decker mascara from Butter London. Okay, and then for my lips today, I want to do something pretty neutral because I ain't got a lot going on up here. Okay, and then for my lips today, I'm going to be using my NYX Slip Tease in the shade I Woke Up Like This. And then I will finish all this up by setting it with my Cover FX setting spray. Okay, so that is the final look. I am obsessed with my two new products. I'm totally gonna be using this glitter again because it totally makes me feel like a princess. Yes. And then the Shaaanxo palette is so good. Like, I totally thought that it was gonna be overhyped because a lot of times collabs with the company are pretty overhyped, but it's amazing. Like, it's actually so good. Like, those colors blended so well, and I'm really excited to get to use the more shimmer and foiled-y looking shadows some more. I'm really excited about this palette. You're totally going to see that palette again in future videos. And yeah, well, I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you have any suggestions of what you want to see, or if you just like this look a lot, give me a comment down below. And if you guys like me, subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. And I hope that I see you all again next time. Bye.